The Scarecrow. Today, we will learn that creativity leads to great solutions. Please subscribe to the channel for more stories. In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and vast fields, the lives of the villagers revolved around their crops. The farmers faced a relentless problem. Hungry birds swooped down, feasting on their precious crops. The villagers tried various methods to scare the birds away, but nothing seemed to work. Jack, a diligent farmer, often found himself staring worriedly at his half-eaten crops. One evening, he turned to his wife, Mary.
I've been worrying about our crops for a while now, and I think I need your help to come up with a solution.
Of course, Jack. How can I assist you in finding a way to keep those pesky birds away from our crops?
She asked, her eyes twinkling with determination.
What if we create something that looks like a person to scare the birds away?
Jack suggested. Mary's eyes lit up with hope.
That's brilliant. Let's do it.
She agreed, eager to put the plan into action. The next morning, they set out to gather materials. They collected old clothes, wooden sticks, and straws from around their home. In the middle of their field, they stuck 2 wooden sticks into the ground, about 6 feet apart, forming a sturdy base. They then tied 2 more sticks across the top, creating a simple frame that stood tall and proud. They stuffed an old shirt and pants with straw, shaping a body that looked surprisingly lifelike. They tied the clothes to the frame using twine, making sure everything was secure. Next, they fashioned a head from an old hat stuffed with straw and placed atop the frame. The Scarecrow looked sturdy and intimidating, with arms outstretched as if to ward off any intruders. Jack and Mary stood back to admire their creation, feeling a surge of pride and anticipation. They affectionately named it Scarecrow, their new secret weapon against the birds. The next day, Jack watched with bated breath as the birds approached his field. To his delight, they hesitated, then veered away from the fields, clearly fooled by the lifelike figure standing guard. The Scarecrow's presence proved remarkably effective. The birds, thinking it was a person, avoided the crops entirely. With their crops now thriving, Jack couldn't keep the secret to himself. He generously shared the idea with the rest of the farming community. Inspired by his creative solution, the other farmers quickly followed suit, building scarecrows of their own. Soon, scarecrows dotted the landscape, each unique and crafted with care, standing as silent sentinels in the fields. The villagers rejoiced at the scarecrow's effectiveness. Their crops were safe, and they felt a renewed sense of hope and unity. The story of Jack and the mighty Scarecrow taught everyone that with creativity and determination, even the most daunting challenges could be overcome. The moral of the story is that creativity and determination can lead to great solutions. Embrace challenges and remember that your ideas can make a difference. The end.